Things are changing and we are inside a fridge because today we're doing a different video. We are saucing up and trying out 5 viral TikToks again because you guys loved it last time.
What are you doing?
I'm talking to them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Seeing you here.
Yeah, I don't know why they're in our fridge, but hey, yeah.
What are you doing tonight?
A TikTok video.
Can I be a part of it?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's go. All right, we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna watch the first one. Let's go.
Let's make baked feta pasta, mac
The
and
first
cheese,
one was fire.
buffalo chicken style. Add a block of feta.
The fact that it's buffalo, I'm already
center
in.
of a baking dish.
Oof,
Then add a
that's a
pound
lot
of
of
dry
cheese.
elbow macaroni, 2.5 to 3 cups of shredded cheddar cheese,
Okay.
6 cups of
milky.
milk. Then add a few tablespoons of
Garlic.
minced garlic, a lot of salt, guys, a few really
lot
good
of salt.
pinches. Then kind of give that outside part
Okay,
a stir to combine.
okay.
Next, add
Ooh.
a
Give it to me, Frank. Whoa.
to the top of the dish. Then crack some fresh black pepper over the top.
Love
and
the pep.
cook in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes.
That looks so good.
That looks
Feta
insane.
was so
That looks bomb.
I'm wet for that one. All right, so the last time I tried this, it was amazing, and I'm super stoked for this one. So we're gonna start off with some feta. Ew, what the? And it goes. Next, we're gonna take this thing to Philly Town. That's right, we're gonna do some cream cheese, macaroni in the pot. All right, low key, since we're using elbow macaroni, I feel like it was just raining elbow. Next, we go Mario and Shreddy. Sprinkle it around the sides. You know there's only one way to do this. The Milky Way. That was out of this world. I hate me. How dare you? Get it? Dairy? How dare he? I'm going straight to hell. All right, she said 3 tablespoons of garlic, but a little garlic never hurt anybody. I will literally beat your ass and your girl likes me with every meal. A few big pinches of salt. And I just have to say, from somebody who tries to eat relatively healthy, this looks absolutely horrible for you, but I guarantee you it's gonna be incredible. And now we hit it with the Franks. At about half a cup. I'm going crazy with the pepper. Just call me Pepper Le Pew. And it looks absolutely disgusting, but we're gonna throw this in the oven and see what happens when it comes out after 50 minutes. Here you go, into your little hell bath. Ooh.
Gosh, that looks so good.
Ooh. Smells amazing.
It smells so good. I'm gonna mix it up.
Go.
Ew, this looks kind of gross.
Keep going.
Ew. I don't know why this is grossing me out. It's so watery.
Oh, yeah.
Ugh.
So the issue we're dealing with right now is it is very, very watery. Like I can,
Crazy water.
like,
Now we've stirred it up, it doesn't smell as good. It smelled better before we stirred it. Now it's kind of like, ugh. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Pasta is mushy. The flavor is lame. It's got potential, it doesn't hit.
I have to say, even if we put more cheese in here, I don't think it's gonna add more flavor.
So star scale, 1 out of 5.
1 out of 5.
This is a 1, like no question.
I'm not gonna say a 1 because it's not gross. I'll give it a 2, but it could very easily be a 4 or 5 if there's some minor tweaks to it. So that's where I'm at.
There's one that I want to make and it's super, super easy, and I know
Right.
that we have what we need to make it, and it's literally just the perfect egg.
Okay.
And it's like less than 60 seconds.
Whoa. Okay, what the f?
Perfect. It's so easy. Let's just do it. I
Let's
know
do
it's
it.
not like a big
That's
thing, but
quick.
let's do it.
Let's try it,
I
let's
wanna see
try
if it's good. So start off by dunking this, right?
Yep, so you're gonna
Okay.
dunk her in the water. Ooh, dunkaroo. All right, pull it out. That's the first time I've said that.
And we're gonna go in with olive oil, and we're just gonna paint it in here
And what do you think the purpose of that is?
for it not to stick.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you crack an egg in there for me?
No way. Ooh, it's starting to white up.
It is! Oh my god, look, now that I put it in a little bit, it's like, before I was hovering it above the water, now it's like in the water and it's like becoming an egg. I mean, this feels like a lot of work to do like every day as opposed to just like boiling an egg. So,
I say just let her in.
no, I'm not ready.
I don't know, babe. I think it might be time to.
No, I'm not ready. Can you hold it though? Because my arms are getting tired.
I say we let it go.
No, please don't let her go.
What's her name?
Angela.
Angela?
Angela.
Time to go for a swim, babe.
Okay, I'm gonna dunk it. Ready?
Dunker. Dunker.
Oh! Wait, it's happening! It's happening! Look! Oh my god! Oh, no. She's stuck. You little bitch. I was rooting for you. Okay.
Well,
It looks really weird.
It does look kind of like, almost like it was like microwaved. Ooh.
Okay, I mean, that looks incredible. Hot.
Blow.
It's good though.
I don't really like the texture of it.
Don't.
No, springy and slimy.
Slimy.
So it works. The texture, you got
The
it.
texture is not the vibe.
I need you to imagine chewing on a finger that does not have a bone in it,
Oh my
and
God,
that's
okay,
what this
I'm
is.
done.
All right, star scale.
Like if I'm like rating it with like scrambled, poached, soft boiled, hard boiled, I would give that a 1. But if I'm rating it just with like eggs over easy / medium, I would give it a 2.5.
For the TikTok recipe itself, it worked. So that gets a 5 stars. But actually consuming it, it took way too long. And honestly, it was very springy, it was bouncy, the texture was not there. I would never make that for myself.
But it would be bomb if you did that and then you put like cheese and chives on top. Like,
Yeah, but
the
it's-
texture would be good with that. The texture would be really good if you added other, like chops of bacon. That would be good. Okay, I'm out. We agree to disagree.
All right, so this one looks gas. Now, some ingredients that I've never used before, so I'm excited to try it.
All right, y'all, so let me put y'all on. So today we are making some rotel dip. So right here, I'm gonna cook and season.
Been here
because
before.
you already
This
know
looks
I like this
fire.
shit all the way
Some
to
onion.
season. Then we're
Interesting.
gonna add our onions, our
Rotel.
rotel tomatoes, our cream cheese, our Velveeta cheese, and this.
See, never used Velveeta, so we gonna try it.
Well, at least we have the shredded cheese on top.
And
Facts.
then we're gonna bake it until the
Okay.
cheese is melted.
This is gonna be
and
so
take
easy.
it out and
Easy,
mix
money.
it. And let me tell you something.
I mean, it's
That
gonna be
shit-
bomb.
I mean, this
and
looks-
it's easy. Let's try it.
It's a smacker.
Yeah,
let's
let's
try
do
it.
it.
Let's go. Choose ground beef. We're gonna use ground turkey because we'll our pants if we use ground beef. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Let's beat our meat. Ooh. My onion bridge wanna come down. Cream cheese? Yeah, this is just, I don't know. Fake cheese? I'm at the Rotel Motel Holiday Inn. And lastly, we're going in with some more shredded cheese. I'm not gonna lie, this actually smells pretty good. In she goes.
Into the unknown. All right,
What are you
this looks
thinking?
like the most promising thing so far in the video. Smells really good. We're gonna have to really blow.
Oh shit, that's
Oh,
hot.
careful, babe. That's good.
I'm not gonna lie, the texture of the Velveeta is kind of throwing me off a little bit. I wasn't.
Screw the Velveeta, a block of mild cheddar. This exact same recipe would be so fire.
I do like the flavor. I would put some like pickled jalapeno in here, maybe some buffalo sauce, some green onion on top. Will really amp this thing up. I gotta give this like a 3.
Yeah, I was gonna say for dips, I would give it a 3 out of 5. That's good.
Is it great though?
It's not great.
Good, not great.
It's almost there. There's a base that you can build on and make better. That's what we said. Yeah. Okay, I want to do the strawberry one.
Let's make
This
strawberry
looks-
tompoulu.
Strawberry
Okay,
tangulu.
with the knife.
And 1 cup water. Bring it to a boil, but don't stir. Shake it if you need to. When your sugar starts to get a little color,
Okay.
dip something in there and then directly
straw?
into a glass of ice water. If the sugar on the end gets crispy, we're
Save the
ready to
turtles.
dip into our sugar and
said,
then into our ice water. That is one shiny strawberry.
So oh, the crunch! So it's literally just a strawberry, like when
It's
you were a
just like
kid
a-
and you dunked strawberry into sugar,
Yes.
this is just a better version.
Yes.
So let's make it.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Honestly, I'm really excited for this one. But first, we gotta start with the. Let's pour it. Let's dip them. 2 cups sugar, 1 cup water. Oh, sizzle my nizzle. Uh-oh,
What? Uh-oh. Oh, God.
we burnt it. Oh my God, that is so f***ing... What is happening? What the f***? Let's give this a try.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's there, baby. Let's do it. What nobody wants to tell you is it takes like 20 minutes to get to this point. And the last one took like 22 minutes, and then it was completely burnt. So we're just gonna full send it.
Dipping and rolling and putting it in the
Dip,
ice.
roll in the ice. And,
Dip, roll in the ice.
oh wow, look how heavy it is.
Hold on, I want to hear it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. The only reason I'm saying I don't like it is because it was still super warm, and that kind of threw me off. and it was so sharp that it got the top of the roof of my mouth and like scraped it. See?
There's so much sugar on it that it's too sweet. And the fruit is hot inside.
I mean, it's okay.
1 out of 5, what is it?
A 2.
I figured if anybody's gonna like it, it'd be her because she likes candy, but it's just not it.
Okay, this next one is the one that I'm the most excited for. I've literally been wanting to make this for months because it's been like all over the place. Ramen.
Ramon.
We are doing
Noodles
this.
and then just kind of stir them around in the sauce. Crack an egg.
Okay,
Let's do it.
let's try it.
Just the egg already in the ramen. I'm like, it's gonna be creamy.
Now we melt some butter.
Okay,
Add
the
some
butter.
Garlic,
Oh,
sauce. Red pepper flakes.
You know I love a red pepper flake.
Brown sugar.
and then she,
Weird.
Not
No,
weird.
the brown sugar's gonna be
sugar's.
bomb.
Oh, and then the nudes right in.
And now we add an egg.
I'm so excited.
Why is she fussy about the egg?
I know. The egg is gonna make it
Has
so
been added.
Oh yeah, no, the egg is gonna make this thing crazy.
I added more red pepper flakes.
She keeps saying weird.
I'm dying for this.
Bagel seasoning.
Okay.
That's the only thing that I feel is weird is the everything but the bagel. But otherwise, that's
Yeah,
bomb.
that might be suspect.
That's bomb. And the everything but the bagel is weird. I want to try it without it and then add it on. But I'm
I'm down
excited.
for it. Let's roll. Let's do it.
Let's
Let's do it. This has got to be the one. It's got to be the hit. Butter. Garlic. Red chili flake. Some soy sauce. Brown sugar. Oodles and noodles. I don't know, bro. This smells sus. Everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm not sold on the smell.
I'm not sold on the smell. It doesn't smell like a ramen I've ever had, but that might be the point. This is the one I'm the most excited for. Okay, let's try it. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
No. Oh my god. I literally spit it out. I couldn't even swallow that. I couldn't. That was.
I need to try again. It's very easy for the garlic to burn, and you know, once you burn garlic, it gets very bitter. So for somebody who's inexperienced or amateur in the kitchen, it's gonna be tough to get this right without burning that garlic, especially because it's not specified.
My niece Sophia loves ramen. It's like her favorite thing in the entire world. She absolutely loves it. So we'll see
Sophia like this.
what a 12-year-old thinks who loves ramen. Let's see. Star rating 1 out of 5. 1. All right. Well, there you have it. I thought that these were it. They had millions of views and millions of likes, and I was like, these are gonna slap.
Nope. And there you have it. What can I say? TikTok, you let us down today. We tried 5 of the recipes. I really can't recommend one. The tangaloo and the egg worked, but not something that I would necessarily eat myself. Listen, if you guys made it this far, scroll down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow the seasoning squad. I appreciate you guys for watching. My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning, and we're out. Love y'all. No, sir. I stopped doing that when I was about 8 months old. Oh, he needs some milk.
Okay, I'm doing the egg because
Wait.
I'm. And it's like I'm sitting there holding my spatchy spatch in the kitchen, watching my husband do everything. Except we're not husband and wife yet. Okay.
Hey, Angela.
We should have done that in the first place. Hey, Angela.
You know what that's the sound of? Let's put this in the mother-loving oven. Thought I was gonna say a naughty word right there. I know you f***ing did. I wanna try it with a BlackBerry.
I'm not doing well with this.
Not the cell phone, though. You heard it her first. Her. You heard it. You heard it. Jeez.
Come on, man, get it together.